and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup, kind of like a get ready with me, but this is also going to be like a haul because I have some new makeup products, one that I purchased and then one that my aunt sent to me. So I'm very excited to share them with you guys, and I'm just gonna give y'all my honest opinions and my thoughts on these products. So just like a little disclaimer before I start the video, if you guys have been following me back to when I had my beauty account
at Beauty by Caro,
I talked about how my aunt works at Beautycounter, which is a makeup brand, and they have like all safe, all natural, good ingredients in makeup for your skin. From Christmas to the end of the school year, I use the Beautycounter Ultimate Nudes palette like every single day, as well as their blush. So I definitely recommend their products, and I'll link this stuff down below. But my aunt texted me the other day and was nice enough to send me some things for my back to school since I'm starting high school this year. She let me pick out a set from their website. I actually haven't touched any of this stuff at all. I just got home at 1 in the morning this morning. Today. That's so weird. Sorry if I look a little tired, but I am pretty exhausted. So the first brand that I'm going to be mentioning in this haul is Beautycounter. The box says beauty should be good for you. Inside it has this paper and then 4 different products. I'm so excited, you guys. So look, so it looks like this, and then one just fell out. So the first item that is in here is a eyeliner, and this is the Beautycounter eye pencil, and I believe this is in the shade black. Back when I was in 7th grade and 6th grade, I used to wear eyeliner all of the time. And if you know me, I was not that good at eyeliner. I used to do it very thick. I didn't even know what I was doing, honestly. You know, it was just an experiment in my middle school life. What's really cool about this eyeliner is it has 2 different sides to it. So on this side, it has like a little sponge, so if you have any eyeliner smears, this will help fix it. And then on the other side is the actual eyeliner pencil itself. I'm very excited to use this. Alright, so the next product is a sheer lipstick. What the packaging looks like. I've never actually tried their lipsticks before, so I'm very excited to try it today. This looks... oh wow. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice. When you open it, this is what the lipstick looks like, and you just twist it up and down. So yeah, we're definitely going to be using that today. Then the next product is this Beautycounter Radiant All Over Bronzer, and I love bronzer. Literally, a bronzer takes your makeup from like a 0 to a 10. So this is in the shade Surf. Alright, this is what the packaging looks like. Hope nothing falls out. So when we open it, when you open it, oh my gosh. This is what the bronzer looks like. It is literally so pretty. Does it come out? Oh my gosh. The mirror comes out. It's magnetic. It says no secrets added, and it has a mirror. I'm so excited. And then I believe there's one more thing. Oh wait, there's stuff in the box too. So I am very excited because I love eyeshadow. I'm literally, oh my gosh, this is so hard to open. Alright, so this is the Beautycounter Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited to open it. 9 shades, endless looks. Each eyeshadow features rich pigments for long-lasting color and a velvet smooth finish. Cue the angels. You can also take out this mirror too. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this. So the last thing that I picked up from Sephora the other day, because I do not have like a concealer brush, I walked around and I found this really cute one from the brand Tarte, and this is what the packaging looks like. Brush itself. It is so cute and I cannot wait to use it today. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my hair back because I always do this, but I don't like getting makeup in my hair because that's like the most disgusting thing ever. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use some daily moisturizing lotion, because lotion is great. Oh shoot, that just fell. Moisturizing my face with just like regular lotion has helped so much, and this one has stopped my breakouts because when I visited California, I had very bad like acne. Like, I don't know if it was from the airplane or like the climate or whatnot, but like I had super bad acne. Use moisturizers. Alright, so now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to go in with this Beautycounter Balancing Charcoal Mist, and I actually use this also after I do my skincare routine, but I also like to do it before my makeup sometimes. So I'm going to spray some on my face. So I love this product. It's amazing, and it smells really good too. So the next thing I'm going to do is put on some foundation, and my go-to foundation is the Lancome foundation. Foundation is blended in. Now I'm going to move on to concealer. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape and it's my only other one. I've run out of all of my other concealers, so let's try it out. Ow, oh my god, I literally just stuck that right there. And then we'll do some right there too. I don't even know how you're supposed to use this. I love it. So now that concealer is done, I'm going to move on to bronzing. So I'm going to be using the Radiant All Over Bronzer today. All right, so I'm going to tap into this shade and I'm going to start bronzing. Oh wow, that's nice. So I like to do kind of like the letter 3 shape. So I like to go up on my forehead, right under the cheekbone, and down on my jawline. So I'll do that on both sides. Alright, so bronzer is now done. The next product that I'm going to be using is the Beautycounter blush, and I've actually had this one for a while. This is the Color Sweet Blush Duo, so it comes with 2 different shades. It has like a really nice like rosy look. Alright, blush is now done. Now we're going to move on to eyeshadow. First thing I'm going to be using is this MAC Paint Pot. I'm going to be going in with this brush and putting that all over my eyelids, kind of like as a base. Now that they're kind of like primed, we are going to use the eyeshadow palette. So using the Beautycounter Classic Eyeshadow Palette, I'm going to go in with this brush, also from Beautycounter. So the first shade that I'm going to tap into is Ivory. This is like a really nice color to just like run over your eyelid. Next color I'm going to tap into is Suede, and it is kind of like this light teddy bear brown color, and I'm just going to run this in my crease, kind of like as a transition shade. Next shade I'm going to tap into is Sienna, right here. And I'm just going to run that in the crease and then stopping kind of like at the center of my eye. Now that I have both eyes done, I'm going to go back into that shade Suede and run over all of it and go from this end to that end. Then next, I'm going to be using the shade called Burnished right here. And this one has a little bit of shimmer to it. So what I'm going to do with it is kind of drag it in and then pat it on the outside of my lid. So it kind of gives it that nice like smoky look a little bit. And then finally, I'm going to go into the shade Penny and put that on my eyelid. I am absolutely in love with this palette. So for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using that black eyeliner. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Finally, I'm going to go in with this mascara from Beautycounter. Alright guys, so eyebrows are now done. That concludes my makeup tutorial. Oh wait, no, just kidding. I totally forgot the lipstick. Okay, so this is the final makeup look using my new products. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. Also, go click the link in my bio and go shop at Beautycounter. I will see y'all in my next video.
I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.